Before I came to the school, the only thing I could really do was put something in the microwave and just cook it for however long I was told to do. But apart from that and maybe turning an oven on, there was nothing else I could really do. I felt really negatively about cooking. I had a fear of knives, a fear of heat, so I struggled to even use pans or even put things in an oven, so no confidence at all. One skill that I've really learned since I came here was chopping vegetables. So I have a system where the knife is at the bottom right hand side of the chopping board, blade side in, and I know it's not going to cut me. I pick it up by the handle, I know it's safe, and then it's easier for me to go in with the knife and chop. It's very important for young blind people to learn how to cook because you don't want to be waited on all the time. It's good to be able to cook your own food and know what's in your food as well, because otherwise you have to have ready meals which you don't know what's in them, and in my opinion they're not as tasty as when you make your own. My favourite thing to cook would probably be mincing potatoes because I love that, but it's a close run thing between that and a mug chocolate brownie done in the microwave. Now I feel that cooking is a real benefit and much more confident. I feel like I've got more skills and therefore more independence, and I'm not as scared now to try out cooking new things. To eat food that I have prepared now, it feels like it's like success. Although sometimes it may not taste amazing, it's like I know that I've made it and I feel quite proud of myself because I've had a go at making it and I know I can do it.